Okay, in this little video, I'm going to explain how you guys get to Cambridge Elevate to register for the online textbook. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to navigate to elevate.cambridge.org or Google Cambridge Elevate. You're going to get a screen that looks something like this. I'm doing this on the iPad, so the layout's a little different. But on the left-hand side, you're going to see a login spot, and on the right-hand side, two options for new users. You are going to click I'm a student because you haven't yet created a username or a password. Okay, when you click I'm a student, you're going to come to a screen that looks like this. The first thing you're going to do is enter your book code in this first field. Your book code is 16 letters long. The letters are all capitalized. They come in groups of 4 with the little dash in between each group. I sent you this code via Schoology. You can find it by clicking the little envelope in the top right-hand corner. All right, I sent it to you yesterday. Each of you has a unique book code. All right, the next thing you're going to do is enter your username. We want you to use your S number, your Northside S number that you use to log in every single day as your username. All right, first name, last name, presumably you know them, put them in. For email address, we would prefer that you use your Northside student email address. Finally, and this is really important, your password should be your official Northside 4x4 that you use to log in every day. All right, so to recap, the username that you need to use is your S number. Your password, which you have to confirm at the bottom, is your 4x4. This is because if you forget your password and we need Cambridge to send you a new one, their email doesn't get past Northside's screener. So we're unable to reset your passwords. That's why we need to know exactly what they are for everyone. So S number for your username, 4x4, use your school email address. Finally, you just need to accept the terms and the license agreement, tell it that you're not a robot, even if you are a robot, and click register. Once you're in, you'll see a screen that looks like this. You'll only have this student resources book. This one here is the teacher book. You'll click on this book and it'll open up. Inside this book, you'll find a series of menus. We're going to be working in the Unit 1 book, which is called the Red Book for obvious reasons. I'll give you further instructions later in the week when we start doing stuff in there. But for today, I just wanted to make sure that you know how to get into to register your book code, gain access to the materials, and encourage you to let me know if your book code doesn't work, if it says that it's invalid or that it's already in use. I can get you a replacement. Send me a message, preferably via an email with book code in the subject line, and we'll get that taken care of. All right?